매장 과자 잘라키디요. 딜라 캠era 요래, 딜라 페샤 요래, 디스투스.
मैं उधर ला रहा है उधर नहीं उधर
야, 간디시도야 지질라다.
हमको सब हमारे अजिंदा चिपोरेला चले है हमको दि छंगवा सेरो दु या मतो जिया पीपीजी दे सो सब दा हुँदा के जस्ता हमको कोही खाइमे अदे
How are you doing? Yeah.
how's the senior namanya
Hi everyone. Test le. Dia ngatur minyak par gaya tu sudah. Dia ngatur minyak le. This is our group.
आज brother ने इनका खड़े या जी खड़े मारे में जी धनी नहीं दिखे
So ni man. Di budi.
सही
Le.
사진이 사이드는 없어요. 저는 저기 한번에 사이드는 해도.
Bây giờ nhỉ? Chưa nghe gì cả, nghe kiểu kiểu là. Đấy đó. Anh đâu đó? Cứu được rồi, nó khó gì?
여기 나준다.
Shit.
जबल पे हो जो अंग्रेजी शब्द में जो अद्भुत होता है ना
अच्छा अच्छा
उसका अंग्रेजी का भूल गया
ओ अंग्रेजी में अजंता को क्या बोलते हैं
और ये लेस है
Hey bro, how are you doing? Yeah.
how's the senior namanya
매장 과자 잘라키디요. 딜라 캠era 요래, 딜라 페샤 요래, 디스투스.
근데
你们当过的了哈三个也不轻松，那个看到这个 Tanga tusla song thagara in test le jeon jeon.
당아디 조서디 맞고 당아네 뭐도 폴데다
Yeah.
안다 믹스 안에 그냥 아주 파이는데라 고추도네 파이는데 안에 맨이 데 파이들 당보다니와 당보다 맨
Yeah.
당보다가 세전에 인데로 제가 봐 인컴플리트요 님
Oh, we're heading towards the elephant cave, but now we're ready to ride in a boat. So, you guys see these finest guys are sitting inside the boat. Oh yeah, that day number 2 sida that gyasu kyun dugo ta. Gate of India. It's a very beautiful. Oh yeah, number 2 that day on to George the elephant cave blood George so the number 2 sida. Yeah. Island that the island. That's wrong. Elephant cave narola ni ju chawai elephant cave ticket to sa di to cha ta ni ke na la ju ne ani thagu tangsho di le di ter da sida number 2 thagu tangsho di re che thong da thagu oh yeah number 2 da di ni thagu tangsho di re this is the first cave in elephant cave. So look at these pillars. It's really amazing. Can you see that pillar? Beautiful. And you can see many more inside the cave. I'm gonna show you. So that this sculpture, that this statue is, it's the Shiva statue, the form of Shiva. And this god and goddesses side by side, and maybe this one is Parvati and the little one is Ganesha. Maybe it seems like Ganesha. Can you see that? See, this one is Ganesha maybe. Oh yeah, ni number 2 test le. Ngara yundi. Ne. Tring dila ni Quran sula. Teshik ani thakuti kola. Modejik chemba. Today actually I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Yanten. So today I'm here going to show you some facts about this old cave, and it is made, maybe it was made in 6th and 7th century. So before that, we're heading inside. Okay, come on, man. So can you can you see these pillars? This is a little bit different from the first cave. This was a little bit simple, and all the caves are belongs to the Hinduism in Elephant Cave. So this one is the second cave right now here, and it looks reconstructed because some of the architectures were ruined, so that the archaeological survey of India made a very take a very good action to build this to remain it for centuries and centuries. They reconstruct it by putting in steel and cement. So there is no much thing to see inside the cave, so you can see from the outside of the cave. Can you see at the ceiling? Can you see at the ceilings there are steels put inside because of safety, for the safety. Dear doctor. Oya tadi elephant cave ki ane cave angangi wa dire tadi hale ning jimu dinde da midu de kawa horota da bat koro kawa de bat symbol re sha peje di socha megire dijidu ani dinde sla ingre samgudu de toguna ke dinala jib de shache de tabu de kom tesa de chumi chunju ji do dinala bekba endu de